Hi, my name is Kamryn Ford. Today's date is November 21st, 2022, and on my card I just wrote the structures that I will be going over for my sheep eyeball dissection. So to start off, when the eyeball is closed, we can see the optic nerve in the back. The cornea is this initial section that you see. When you open it up, you're able to see the iris, which is located just above the pupil. The pupil is going to be the space between the iris and the lens. It goes vertically down the eyeball. The anterior cavity is the section of the eyeball closer to the pupil and the cornea, while the posterior cavity is located on the other side, so closer to the middle where I had split. On the other side, the lens I actually took out to look at it. It was this clear section that was right in the middle of the eyeball. I just removed it so I could get a better view of the choroid, which is located behind the retina. And the retina is going to be this like bluish, grayish lining of the eyeball, and the sclera is the white, fattier outside of the eyeball. So then the verteris humor is the liquid. It's kind of like the jelly liquid that was located in the main area of the eyeball, like in this middle section. And the aqueous humor was located between the cornea and the pupil area. Was that liquid there. So I think that covers everything. Yes, that should be all of it. So thank you. I will upload this.